Okay, we're back. It's been about 5 to 7 minutes. Now when you clean this off, you got to use a very high-tech cloth. You can get this at specialty stores. Oops. Yeah, that's what I use. Toilet paper. It absorbs it, gets it really good, uh, and it's cheap. So that's about halfway where I want it. But I want a little darker. I want to show you guys something. These grooves are really dark right now. If you'll take and press real firm with your fingernail into the stuff, it'll clean it out, and it really looks a lot better than having a gunky area there. So we're looking for another we're looking for a little bit darker, so we're going to apply another coat. And this one goes on a little faster, I think, because it's already it's a smoother surface now. It's already been, there's an oil in it. There's something in it, makes it go on a lot faster. It's not as porous, I guess. So I don't know. If you're a pro at this and you know if it matters if you add the second coat, chime in and let me know. Or is it better just to leave the first layer? I don't like to leave it on too long because then it starts to dry and it's harder to get off. That's why I do it in different layers. I just love leaving it on the lathe though. Get a little back there. Okay guys, I'll see you in about, I think I'll leave this one on for about 7-8 minutes. It's pretty cool in the shop right now, so it's not drying real fast.